In this busy world, we are always rushing to reach our goals. We are so focused on reaching our targets and deadlines that we often forget to experience the present moment. Thought racing keeps on going in our minds. Either we keep lingering on our past attachments or we think about the future. In Shri, we have incorporated mindfulness and inner child healing in our therapeutic techniques. As we adapt an integrated overall approach towards the client along with eclectic psychotherapy, much focus is also given on other holistic techniques from ancient wisdom. Mindfulness means maintaining a moment-by-moment awareness of our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and surrounding environment through a gentle, nurturing lens. Mindfulness involves non-judgmental acceptance and observations of our present experience, including bodily sensations, internal mental states, thoughts, emotions, impulses, and memories in order to reduce distress and to increase well-being. When we practice mindfulness, our thoughts tune into what we are sensing in the present moment, rather than rehearsing the past or imagining the future. Mindfulness has its roots in Buddhism. It is believed that our sense of self or who we are is deeply influenced by activities such as egocentrism, attachment, and discrimination. When we practice reflection without judgment, we can discover more about our motivations, our feelings, and reactions. That is, we can even become attuned to what we are thinking about with an overreaching focus on knowing rather than judgment. This awareness is part of having the powerful ability to shape and train our minds. Freeing your mind is based on the capacity to release clinging. We detach from non-beneficial thoughts and practices that we are clinging to, such as anger and judgment. This helps us to see clearly, to let unwanted emotions pass through and remain relaxed while opening ourselves and align with our gifted present moment. In the last few decades, numerous scientific researches have been done in this area, and the results yield number of scientifically proven valuable benefits of practicing mindfulness. It has now entered the mainstream therapeutic techniques in part through the work of Jon Kabat-Zinn and his mindfulness-based stress reduction program to assist people with stress, anxiety, depression, and pain. It can be said mindfulness is a way of conscious living in the present. Mindfulness is a state that can be brought on through regular practice. It's not static, nor are some people born more mindful than others. We already have the capacity to be in the present, so we can cultivate these innate qualities with simple practices that are scientifically demonstrated to benefit ourselves and our loved ones. Mindfulness is more than just a practice. It brings awareness, attention, and caring into everything we do, and it reduces needless stress. Even small efforts makes our lives better. Can be mindful while eating, walking, writing, taking a shower, like while eating, being mindful of the different colors of the food, the smell of different ingredients used, the texture of particles in our tongue, and the taste of it. In a similar way, every activity that we do, we can do it in a mindful way. This will give us a joyful and relaxed experience while performing the task instead of stress. By regularly practicing mindfulness meditation, one slowly develops the habit of being aware of one's own self and accept it. Mindfulness is beneficial only when it is practiced regularly. It reduces stress, it helps in managing anxiety, lower level of depression, lower blood pressure level, improves memory, improves attention and concentration, chronic pain relief, improves quality of sleep. A person who practices it regularly has a deeper experience about other benefits and the transformation in his or her experiential life journey. In this transformative period, people are becoming more aware of the importance to live every moment, and thus the need of mindfulness is increasing day by day. Thank you.